As the ironclads of industrial civilization reached the east, Qing emperors were still seeking to place their vision of the realm within mountains and waters. In the western outskirts of Beijing, landscapes were reshaped, waterways redirected into imperial grounds, and more than 300 halls unfolded layer upon layer among the lakes and hills. An imagination of an era took form here. Its name was Yuanming Yuan. Yuanming Yuan, the old summer palace, was once the embodiment of imperial power in landscape form, a spatial reordering of authority and vision. The Great Fire of 1860 consumed the timber halls at its heart. What remained were skeletal structures of stone, originally signs of the Qing court's curiosity toward foreign architecture, never the garden's true core. Yet today, these fragments stand as the most visible remnants of the entire complex. Here, two civilizations met and collided. What endured were traces in which they became entangled.
我们这个文化镇。这好晒啊！
Я не знаю, что знаешь, что говорили об этом? Христианские там все недавно купили, да? Поэтому отвержение, конечно, не может сравниться с дворцами Европы, которые проектировали профессионалы. Все списали.